Inheritance, we have discussed about it. How to run the unit test cases in test phase. Then we have to generate the test report by using what? Surefire plugin, right?
This
How
meeting
to
is being
generate total
recorded.
documentation using site plugin. Then why run phase is not there in default build lifecycle, right? Then how to configure our own plugin to run the application, specifying the main class name. All these things we discussed or not, guys? Okay, today let us see how can we use this maven to develop the web applications. How can we use maven for web application development? What development, guys? Simply, literally for what? Web application development. Shall we go for how to go for web application development using maven, guys? Okay. Array, without closing one meeting, they started other meeting. I mean, which meeting? Correct meeting or right meeting or wrong meeting? Who is this Mahan Purushra? You are in right meeting, but this right meeting, this is wrong. Total 2 meetings are there now. Student, can you check? Video is coming. Not able to on the video. That means other meeting is on. Other meeting ID I have to close now. Are you able to see my video, guys? Online students, tell me. Here one more meeting is there. 2 meetings are there. Guys, let me stop. What are those? Quick start for standalone application development. Web app for web application development. Right, boss? Okay, quick start for standalone. So far we worked with which archetype? Quick start. That is nothing but standalone. So now I want to work with which application? Web app. Nothing but what? Web application. So let's start working with that. File, new. Where is this? Maven project. What's the project, guys? Maven. All the steps are there clearly one by one, guys. File open. What's your batch code? Tool CFS. What is next? 701. Next, Maven. Maven. Okay. Session 5. Are both are same, it seems. One document I'll remove, don't worry. Creating, developing, executing Maven, using Maven. Using me when I want to do all this stuff. Save this. If the archetype is not coming, yeah, then add a new one like this. Add archetype, then you have to type manually. Same thing we discussed in fixed start also. Okay. I think we have to get into correct workspace. We are in the wrong workspace, it seems. Switch workspace. Where is this? 701. Super guys. Okay. Now let's see. File new maven project. What project guys? Maven project. That's great. Say next. What is there? Maven hyphen. Archetype hyphen. Web app. Maven hyphen. Archetype hyphen. Web. Maven hyphen. Archetype. Is there now? Hello sir. Voice not coming. Listen, online student, problem is not with internet or any other thing. WebEx player itself is giving problem. WebEx player is giving problem. It's a matter of 2-3 minutes. Again, it will automatically set right. So whenever you have voice problem, focus on paint content or my practical works. Once voice is back, anyhow, I will try to revise that. So don't panic. It's a problem from WebEx. We are continuously in touch with WebEx people. We are working out the solution. They are also working out the solution. So it's matter of 2-3 days. Mostly it will be set right by Monday or Tuesday. So it's not at all. Initially we thought an internet problem, but it's not internet problem. It's purely from WebEx player. Say next. Group ID, company name. Project means who creates the company name. Artifact ID, project name. Okay, I want to take Maven WebPros 04. Some name, guys. Version, this one. Package, what's the default package? com.nt.main. If you take also waste, if you don't take also no problem. While creating web application project, the package name what you mentioned here will never appear, will never come. So you give right one, wrong one, really does not matter in web project. Completely optional. If you give also, if you give correct one, wrong one, nothing reflects in project creation. Only in standalone project only, default package will reflect, guys. In web application, default package will not reflect. Clear, my dear? Super guys. com.nt. I'm wantedly taking servlet. Wantedly taking. If you do also, it's a waste. It will not reflect. Save finish. Okay. Save finish. It is downloading necessary plugins, guys. It is definitely downloading what? Necessary plugins. It is asking confirmation. Yes, all these are right. Build success and project is appearing here or not, guys. But before that, I want to give com.nt.servlet will not be created. So can I write some note? Only in Maven archetype quick start based Kickstart based projects. Kickstart based projects. The given default package will be created. In other projects, in other archetype projects, that will not be created. That will not be created. Will be created or will not be created? Definitely that will not be created. Group ID, artifact ID, version, default one you can continue. Package will not be created, guys. Okay. Fine. Sanur Sayed, just now I said the issue. Here, yeah, you have to add some jar file before adding, boss. Some folders are missing here. Check it out. Nothing come. SRC main Java, like that it should come now, boss. Are they coming, boss? They are not coming. So in maven web application only this problem is there. So what we should do? Right click, build path, configure build path, go to order and export. Two empty checkboxes are there, select them. Apply, apply and close. So many things came now, boss. Let us try to understand each folder important. SRC main Java to keep the source code. Are we expecting com.nt.servlet default package? Is it coming, boss? Not coming. This is to place the property file related to source code, supporting files related to source code. SRC test Java, unit testing related source code. SRC test resources, unit testing related supporting file. Target generated resource annotation, target generate resource what? Test annotation. Array outputs, so generated outputs are coming, guys, leave it. Libraries, okay, maven dependencies, maven related jars are coming or not, guys. This is the SRC folder, main, all these are shortcut, but one extra folder is there. SRC main Java to keep the source code, resources to place this one. But one extra folder web app is there now, boss. Having webinf and index.jsp. This is to place HTML, JSP, audio, video files. Array in web application outside webinf folder, we place HTML file, image files, audio files, video files. Multiple things are not, guys. Come on. We definitely place multiple things are not, guys. Okay. This is the generated directory structure. Target folder is there to hold outputs. Pom.xml is to give inputs, guys. So compare to what standalone application, SRC main web app is extra. Come on. Remaining all folders are same as what? Quick start project, SRC main Java, SRC main web app is there to place web components, static web components like HTML file, JSP files, audio files, video file, or whatever files you kept outside webinf folder in web application. Those files you can keep over there or not there, guys. Okay, guys. I kept about these folders. Check it out. Tomcat server is configured. Check it out. SRC main Java for placing source code. SRC test Java for placing unit test code. SRC main app for public area code. HTML, JSS, CSS, image, audio, video, and etc. file. SRC main resources. Supporting files related to source code development like property file. SRC test resources supporting files related to what? Unit test code, guys. What test code? Like this, we have different folders are not there, guys. Okay. The content of this folder automatically goes to dynamically generated Java web application deployment directory structure. For example, Whatever packages you kept in src main Java will go to webinf/classes folder. Whatever code you kept in what? src main web app will come to webroot folder automatically. Whatever you kept in src test Java will execute as unit testing code or not, guys? The content kept in these folders will be moved to different directories of deployed web application of web applications deployed Java web applications deployment directory structure. Java web applications deployment directory structure. Are you getting my point? Java web application, no problem. Continue. It's a natural. Don't stop for anyone. Okay. They are unexpected sounds and we should bear them. One more sound is there. I cannot talk about it. Content, the content kept in these folders will be moved to different directories of Java web application deployment directory structure, like src main Java packages will be moved to, what is that? src main Java packages will be moved to webinf/classes folder. src main web app code moves to web applications root directory. What directory? Web applications root directory. src main resources code moves to, right guys? Code moves to webinf/classes folder. What folder, guys? webinf/classes. Are you getting my point here, guys? This is how we have to worry about it. Yeah, these are the various folders that have come right here. Okay, guys. But still red mark is there pointing to index.jsp. That means some API is not working out or not, guys. Some API is definitely not working out now, boss. So we have to add servlet-api.jar file. What jar file? Okay, next one, you follow the steps that are there in the material. Okay, but I'm just explaining and doing one by one with this proper reason. Order may be here and there. That's not a problem. So I will go to pom.xml file. That's great. Here is my dependency is there. There are not there. By default, servlet-api is not coming. Okay, I want to add it. Where is the website, guys? mvnrepository.com is the website. What's the website? mvnrepository.com is the website. Okay, guys. Here I am searching for Jakarta Servlet API. Latest is what? Jakarta. Our old one is Java X Servlet API. New one is Jakarta. You select that one. 6.1 is there. Okay. 6.1 is there. Selected. Luckily, it is coming with proper scope, guys. What is the scope? 6.1.0. Provided is the scope. You don't supply, you don't collect from maven repositories. It will be coming automatically from where? Underlying server where you are running the application. Underlying server where exactly you are running the application, right, boss? Underlying server where exactly you are running the application. Okay, that's great. Jakarta Servlet API 6.1.0. Here, what is the scope, guys? Provided. What is the scope, guys? Provided. Okay, that's good. Fine. Array, this will not give any built-in servers, boss. Server we have to again use from what? Outside. Is it raining? Acha, cooler sound. Fine. So, shall we configure Tomcat server with this IDE, boss? Right. Preferences. Everything is documented. Every point is there in your paintbrush. Servers. Runtime environment. Sir, you said core Java is a prerequisite. You are using Servlet JSP knowledge. 1-2 applications I have to give, na. Otherwise, I have to compromise in subject. Till yesterday, we discussed a standalone application. At least one example I have to show in what? As a web application, right? Runtime environment, my dear. What is there? Runtime environment. Add Apache Tomcat. What is there? 10.1. In my 11 is also released, guys. Okay. But right now I don't have 11. I have what? 10.1. I want to configure 10.1. I'm assuming Tomcat is already installed in this computer, right? Tomcat is already there. Otherwise, let's go for latest one only. Let's download and install Tomcat 11 and let's configure what? Tomcat 11. At least we get the satisfaction we are working with what? Latest version of Tomcat. Or whatever version, same thing, boss. Okay. So now let me download. Maybe in the paintbrush it is Tomcat 10.1 is there. You have a freedom. You can take anything. Okay. Tomcat 11 download. What download, guys? Tomcat 11 download. 11.2.5. Okay. Yeah, what is this? Java 17 and this. Okay, I have Java 17 and more only. Yeah, where is the download option, guys? Where is the download option? Read me, I don't want. Okay, download section. Download section. Here, there is a setup file now. Windows Service Installer setup file is there. Come on, click on it like any. It is slowly downloading the software. Okay, downloaded. Go to the folder. Double click on it, guys. Go to the folder, double click on it. Say yes. Say next. I agree terms and condition. You want to install normal Tomcat or full Tomcat? It won't take much memory. Better to use what? Full only. Say next. What is the shutdown port number? Okay, let it be. What is the main port number? On which port number it should run? Don't use 8080. 8080 is already busy for some other installations now, my dear. 8080 is already busy for some other works, right? Okay, I'm trying to take 6677. What is there, guys? 6677. Okay, you asking admin username password. I am choosing root. I am also choosing root. Root. Root as the username, root as the password. Say next. It is automatically picking up 21, guys. 17 or anything higher than that. In my system already 21 is there. It is automatically picking up the 21. Say next. Asking to choose installation folder. I'm trying to choose d:/Tomcat 11.0. What zero, guys? d:/Tomcat 11.0. I think 11.x. Is there any problem in the folder? Yeah, direction problem. Say install. It started installing Tomcat, my dear. I don't think I need to give installation procedure of Tomcat. Anyone else looking for it? Okay. Don't worry. When you join for Servlet JSP classes, you will get this entire knowledge. Okay, Tomcat is ready, boss. But let me check whether Tomcat is what? Working or not. First, we'll try manually. Then we try to link with what? Eclipse ID. If it is running outside, we'll try to link, boss. But remember, boss, whenever Tomcat installed, sometimes what happens, services.msc, by default, it will be in auto start mode, guys. Install started, OS started, auto started. It's better to disable. Why it wastes to memory in background? What is the need of wasting memory in the background? There's no need. This is Tomcat 11 now. Right click, properties, automatic is there. Make it manual. Until I start, don't start the Tomcat. Until I start, don't start the Tomcat. That's great. Okay, guys. Okay, now manually start the Tomcat, guys. Read dry. What is there? Tomcat 11. Continue. Bin directory. Here. Tomcat 11.exe file is there. Run as administrator is there. It is trying to start the Tomcat server. Allow everything. Okay. It's running on which port number, guys? 6677. What is the car? Oh, you want bigger font? Wait a minute. Don't become giraffe when it is not visible. Bring to my notice. Okay. Right. 20 font. Okay. Lighter, no. Mono, semi bold. Color also I can change, guys. Let me take this color. Screen test red color. Some better font will be there. Still not visible? Wow, not visible. Okay. Okay. If it is visible, tell me what is the port number it is showing. 6677. Visible, or you'll go to eye doctor. I hope visible. Yeah, how to check whether Tomcat is properly started or not? Local host. Okay, what's the port number? 6677. Okay, if we are seeing this page, I can say Tomcat is successfully downloaded, installed, and configured in your computer. Yes, my dear. Okay, we are ready with Tomcat. Okay. I hope I need not to give the procedure for installing Tomcat. Should I give? Definitely. Everyone, online students, required or not required? Sure. Online, are you alive? Okay, that's good. Fine, boss. So now can I configure Tomcat 11 with Eclipse IDE? Okay, stop outside, guys. Stop outside. Once the testing is done, stop outside. Window menu, preferences, server, runtime environment, Add Apache, Tomcat 11. Say next. Browse and select the jar. D drive. What is there? Tomcat 11. Tomcat 11. JRE. Maximum showing 17, guys. Okay. Workbench default JRE. Whatever is I am taking. Otherwise, you can configure JDK 21 in your computer. You can configure what? JDK 21 as extra this one. This PC, C drive, program files, because I have chosen Tomcat 21 while installing Tomcat, right? It expect .class file in 21 version or not, guys? Java, this is 21. Luckily in my system 21 is installed, boss. Select to 21, apply, close, apply, close. In the list 21 is coming or not, guys? Apply and close. Okay, what is this? Tomcat is installed, Tomcat is configured. Done. And I added servlet-api.jar latest version, 6.x version. Right? Okay. But still, it is showing Java 18 version only, boss. It is showing Java 1.8, not even 18. So we have to modify that one, my dear. Okay. Here, target source compile 21. Next. Here also what? 21. Save it. What should I do? Maven update or not, guys? Okay. Maven, where is this? Update project. Offline, force update. This. Offline, force update this. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. So we change it to 21 version. Server also ready with 21. Our core source code also ready to come for 21. One more change is there. Okay, actually they're still working with 1.5. They should give 1.6, 1.7, having all these dynamic changes. Maybe in the next version of Maven they do it. All are going ahead, but still Maven people are stuck with 1.5 web application. Properties, project compiler. It is pointing to 1.1. Project facets. Where is that? Project facets. Java 21. Dynamic web module. 4.0 is the old one, guys. Better to change to what? 6.0 latest. Okay, 6.0 needs Java 11 newer. We have more than that only. Apply and close. Apply and close. Let's confirm whether all these are directly or indirectly specified or not. Whether all these are directly or indirectly specified or not, let me confirm. First, servlet-api.jar is added. Now is 6.x. Collect from maven by searching for Jakarta Servlet API, not just Servlet API. Jakarta Servlet API. Okay, next. Change Java version to 17. If you want, you can take 21 also. 17 also fine, boss, but 21 is required. Change project facet web module version to 5.0 or what? 6.0. Just now we did that work now, my dear. Web module version. That is what? Web module version. Right click on project, properties, project facets, web module, version 6.0 I am selecting here. Okay. Why all this stuff? Let's go for 21. I hope it is compatible with what? 21 also. 31 still not released, ra babu. Okay, here is what? 21. This is my 21, guys. 21. Again, this is my again another 21. Yeah, change will reflect only when you go for maven update. Fine. Okay. SRC Java folders to project structure. Right click on the project. Yeah, now listen, guys. By default, SRC main Java folder content should go to webinf/classes folder. SRC main web app folder content should go to webroot folder. Sometimes they are missing, boss. So that's why double confirm whether they are really happening or not, guys. Double confirm whether they are really happening or not. Okay, this folder structure should come in two select boxes we have to select. Already I did that one in the beginning only. Check it out. Build path, order and export. Two select boxes you have to select or not, guys. Even this part is also done, boss. Okay, done. Okay. Select last two check boxes, apply and close. Different folders are given for different purpose. Now we are configuring what? Tomcat 11 server. What server? Okay, now it is 11 or 10. Now 11.05. Now 11.05. For our batch, I am using 11.0. Okay, guys. 11.05. Arrow apply, arrow okay. Also add server to the server tab. Are we have to add this configured server to server tab or not, guys? Need to add server tab. Go to server tab, this one. Here we have to select what? Now 11.05. What is this? Now 11.05. 11.05. Develop the code. You need to think about developing the code or not, guys. Okay. Develop the code. Shall we start the development of the application, guys? I think first one, archetype project created. In the build path, two checkboxes are empty. In order and export tab, we selected them. In pom.xml, jars are added. Added or not added, boss? In pom.xml, definitely jar files are added or not, guys? Definitely jar files are added. No second thought in that. Okay, next one. Yeah. Next one. Java version is changed. And project web module version is changed. Right click on the project facet section. So by doing all these things, we kept our project ready for what? Coding. So now I have to think about coding, boss. Okay, let's take simple application only. What is that? Welcome page index.jsp I take. There I provide one hyperlink. When you click on hyperlink, you should display current season name. It should display me what? Current. That means business logic I want right in servlet. In servlet should take the request, should process the request. Simply should display what, guys? Season name. Simply it should display me what, guys? Season name. Yeah. Right click, new package. What is there? com.nt.servlet. com.nt.servlet. One package. SRC main web app. Here is my what? Index.jsp. What.jsp, guys? Index.jsp. H1 style. What is there? Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Tell me guys. HTML2. What guys? Servlet communication. HTML2 servlet communication. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Here, some BR. Here is what? H1, H1, href. What is there? Okay, season is the URL pattern of the servlet. Show season name. What name, guys? Show season name. This is another thing we are having, our guys. Show season name. That's great. Right click, new class. Right click, new class. Tell me here. Okay, I prepared one hyperlink, guys, no doubt. So, show season, otherwise, season finder servlet. What servlet? Season finder servlet. What is that, guys? Season finder servlet. It's better to make, every servlet should extend from one or other predefined class, either generic servlet or HTTP servlet. Actually, it should implement servlet interface. Already generic servlet and HTTP servlet class are implementing that interface. So by extending from also indirectly, we are implementing servlet interface or not, guys? Indirectly, we are implementing servlet interface or not, guys? Okay, guys. Tell me. Public class season finder servlet extends what? HTTP servlet. Yes. Here is my what, guys? @web servlet season URL. What URL, guys? Season URL. I think already I have taken what? Season only. Okay, let me make season URL. Whatever URL pattern you have taken, you have to pass in the hyperlink. So that when I click on hyperlink, request goes to servlet. It's quite common, na? Hyperlink is for linking purpose, right? How it links based on the information you provide in href attribute. Okay, our main focus is not on what servlet JSP was. Our main focus is on what maven. Somehow we got a situation to develop on servlet. Yeah. Tell me here, do get method. What method? Do. Tell me here, do post method. One is do get, one is do post. Public wide do get. Here is my public wide do post. Public wide do get, public wide do post. Come on, guys. Okay, for better practice, we have to call do get of request comma response. Do get of request comma response. Yeah. Here is my what? Get print writer. Print writer PW is equal to res dot get writer, my dear. That's great. Print writer PW is equal to res dot get writer. Set response content type. Res dot set content type. What is there? Text slash HTML. That's the regular one, guys. Okay. Next. Get system date and time. What is there, guys? Get system date and time. Especially date is important in this example. Okay, what is there? Local date time. LDT is equal to local date time dot now. We are getting local date time class object or not, guys? That's great. Okay, boss. Get current month value. What value? Current month value. Get what? Current month value. Into month is equal to LDT dot get month value. This gives me current month value or not, guys? Okay, that's great. Okay, generate the season name. Generate the current season name. Okay, if month greater than or equal to how much? 3 and month less than or equal to 6. Month less than or equal to 6. Okay, here I am taking one local variable, guys. String season name is equal to null. Season name is equal to, what is there? String season name is equal to null. Yeah, that is going to be summer season or not, guys? Else if, we have written this logic earlier for other purpose also. Month greater than or equal to 7 and month less than or equal to 10. Season name is equal to, what is equal to? Season name is equal to summer season. Oh, already summer is taken, huh? Let's take. What season, guys? Rainy season. Simply what season, guys? Rainy season. Okay, next. Else. Season name is equal to, come on. Else season name is equal to what season? Winter season. Season name is equal to what season, guys? Winters. Okay, boss. We are ready with the whole process, right, guys? Yeah. Tell me now. We have to display this season name now, boss. Write the results are output to browser. Output to browser as a response. As a response. Okay. pw.println. What, guys? pw.println. What is there? href. What is there? not this, not this. Okay. h1 style. Color colon. What is there, guys? Color colon. Some green. Array, any season. Green. Color colon green. Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Yeah, what is the season I want to display, guys? Okay, plus season name. Plus season name. Close H1. H1 style. Color colon green text hyphen align center. Season name. End of this H1 tag, my dear. Okay, guys. Right. Okay. Add home hyperlink. What link? Simply try to add home hyperlink. Simply try to add what hyperlink, guys? Home hyperlink. Okay, that's great. Simply let me add home hyperlink. Tell me. pw.println. What dot println, guys? pw.println. Tell me. href What is there? ahref. href index.jsp. What dot JSP? Index.jsp. Home hyperlink. And home hyperlink. No, sir, I want to see this home hyperlink as a image. As a image, I want to see. So first of all, tell me where should I keep the images? Again, in the web app folder, we have to keep the images, na boss. First of all, in web app folder, let me keep image. Or if you want, you can in web app, you can take images folder. There also you can keep, guys. Right. Okay. Now let me show. I downloaded already few images to my computer. C drive, class content, images folder. Lot of images are there. One home image is also there, guys. Take a copy of it. Copy. Take a copy of it. Copy. Tell me. Under web app folder, new. Where is this? Under web app folder, new folder. What is the images folder I am taking? Images folder. Say paste. Hey, Kona. Not created, it seems. Folder. What is the name of the image? Image. Under images, let me paste the image. Some home one dot png. Let me make that one as a home only. Yeah, guys. Okay. I want to get text hyperlink along with that graphical hyperlink. Image src. Image src. Images slash home dot png. Width 50. Height 50. Width 50 pixel. Height 50 pixel. Width 50 pixel and what? Height 50 pixel. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. All right. Images slash home dot png, width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel. Clear, guys? Come on, everyone. That's great. This is what we need to focus, my dear. Come on. I want reply from you people, guys. Okay. Season finder servlet. This is wow. Once everything is over, better to close the stream. Print writer is a stream now, boss. Close the stream. What is there? pw dot close. We are taking do post method and all this stuff. That's great. Yeah, why are you taking do get and do post? Tomorrow, if I change request to this servlet get to post to get, then also the code should execute. Main logic is there in do get, that is called from do post. Main logic is there in what? Do word. And that is called from what? Do post. What do you say, guys? Right. Shall we get into the subject discussion? Okay, let's see. Once development is over, all things are over. We can happily run like any normal application, my dear. We can happily run like any normal application. But one more thing, guys, it's better to configure index.jsp as welcome file in web.xml. Okay. Okay. Right now it is coming nicely, guys. Servlet is not configured because servlet is already configured with the annotation, right? Servlet is already configured with annotation. So only welcome file I want to configure. Let's configure welcome file over here. Yeah, tell me how to configure welcome file, guys. Welcome file list. You studied all these things. Welcome file list. Under this, what is there? Welcome file. Index.jsp or not, guys? Welcome file list, welcome file. Okay, that's great. Welcome file configuration is also done. First, I want to tell that though it is maven project, we can run as normal Eclipse project also. Or we did not in standalone application also. We run through maven, we also run through Eclipse base. Run as a Java application. If it is Eclipse web application, we run it by using run as run on server. We run through what? Run on server option or not, guys? Maven web pros 4 run on server. Apache. Acha, we forgot to configure Tomcat server in the server tab, guys. We linked it with Eclipse, but it should be also linked in server tab now, boss. Right click new server. Apache. Under this Apache, what is there? Under this Apache, what is there, guys? 11.0. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Right click. Run on server. Tomcat. Say next. Say finish. Oh, what's the problem? It is saying that one or other ports are invalid. Whenever you get this error, my dear, double click. It is saying some port numbers are invalid. Okay, here some port number is missing, guys. Admin port number is missing or not, guys. You give your choice number, not a problem. You can happily give your choice number, not a problem. Come on, guys. You can whatever number you want, you can give, no problem at all. Whatever number you want, you can give, it's not a problem at all. Okay. 6688 6677. Okay. That's great. Okay. Like this, problems will come, guys. We have to sort out one by one. We have to sort out one by one. Every day, fresh day, every day, new problems will come. Sort out one by one. Tomcat 11, guys. Say next. Say finish. Asking permission. We allow, boss. Asking to start JDK 21 support, guys. Console. All messages will be there in the console. Server started nicely. And default welcome page also coming. But hyperlink is missing, Ra Babu. Okay. Anchor tag is not there properly there. Oh, H1 is required along with H1. Anchor tag is also required. Anchor tag opening and close. That's good. Yeah, changes done in HTML will reflect dynamically, guys. So we got it as a hyperlink or not, guys? We simply got it as a hyperlink. Click on what? Show season name. Show season name. Gayatri madam, you are unnecessarily exciting. Image we have taken for home. Wait until home comes. गायत्री मैडम सबर का फल मीठा होता है. Okay. Summer season. Click on home. For home page hyperlink, I have not taken any image. Home hyperlink only I have taken what? Image. Show season name home. Show season name home. We are able to run the application, guys. Right. See, development wise directories are extra. We use it right directories for right purpose. Okay, what is the guarantee? It is internally creating deployment directory structure. How should I believe, sir? Why should I believe, sir? Let me show that part also. Whenever you configure Tomcat with Eclipse, Eclipse will not use original Tomcat. It will create another copy of Tomcat in the workspace folder. Really, sir? What is the proof, sir? See, I deployed this maven webpros 4 na. all deployed applications in Tomcat will be there in web app folder. Yes or no? Na? Yes. D drive. Tell me here. Tomcat 11 web apps folder. Is there any maven web browser 4? But still it is running or not, guys? Say something, my dear. It is still running in the project application. That means one more copy of Tomcat is created somewhere. Be active, boss. Am I dropping my energy while conducting class? I can also conduct the class. Today we discuss. I can also do like that. But am I dropping my energy while conducting class? What energy I am showing in morning session, same energy I am showing here. What happened to you people? Youngsters only, na? I doubt. Are at this age, forget about Java. If I give solid stone also, it should be digested. Solid stone also, it should be digested. But you are saying when class will over, another 20 minutes, another 30 minutes. When I was learning Java, you don't believe, boss. Parallelly, one thread always used to run in my brain thinking about Java. Still, when I'm learning any new thing, it's related to technology or related to any book reading, one thread always dedicatedly runs in my brain parallelly about it. I read a lot of books, especially finance management, personality development related, lots of books I read. If possible, there is a book called Read It. Not now. Now focus on Java only. Don't read books. Rich Dad and Poor Dad. It's a very famous book. 25 years old book, but still it looks very fresh. Especially when it comes to finance management. Especially when it comes to finance management. So when finance is not there, first concentrate on getting into finance. Then read that book. So right now you are not unfit. You are not fit to enter into that book also. Open cover page of that book also. Like this, so many books are there, guys. Whenever I read that book, I generally take 10 days to 20 days time to complete any book. Any size, 10 to 20 days. Those 20 days, though I'm teaching Java, though I'm talking to someone, though I'm doing business meeting of crore rupee business, parallelly one thread always thinks about that. When I learn new upgradations, because in Spring Boot, a new module has come, AI integration. Now I'm upgrading to that. Parallelly, one thread thinks on it. Because when you don't think parallelly, you won't get new ideas, new thoughts. Okay, na? That is the attitude that should be there. Then only you will become subject matter expert. SME is a big word. Subject matter expert. Okay, na boss? Yeah. How you will manage time? Oh, so much time is there. It's all about priorities. No one is busy in life. No one is busy. It's all about priorities. You start your day by 5 a.m. Why time will not be there? You start your day by 5 a.m. and work till 11:30, 12 o'clock and get into the bed. When night completes, when day starts, you also don't know. Aisa no na, boss. So that like that I plan my schedule. Like that I plan my schedule, guys. 5 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. That is my work schedule. In that one, everything will be there. My personal life will be there and professional life will be there. And my business meetings also will be there. Yes, only I'm thinking why you are not using Pro model iPhone. I think how financially good you are. Fine. You are still stopped in iPhone level only, na? Fine, leave it. Okay. Okay. Show season name, guys. Yeah. See, everything is possible when you have a desire. But if you have a desire, not enough. You have to change that desire to goal. Desire means just a wish. But when you make desire as a goal, definitely goal is what? Desire with a time frame. Desire with a time frame. Don't keep desires, keep goals. When you don't have time frame, I want to become software engineer. When? This year, next year, after 10 years, after your marriage, before marriage, some time frame should be there or not there, guys. Super, guys. Swapnil Kumar, J Unit and maven is enough for fresher. You only concluded, You only concluded, You are trying as a Java fresher or full stack fresher? Array 10 plus tools are required for everyone. Java developer or full stack developer, fresher experience. 10 tools are there. Those 10 tools are minimum. You may take light on what is that? Kubernetes, Jenkins, Docker kind of thing. Remaining tools are there na. Everyone should learn. Your day won't be completed, boss, without touching those tools. Okay, let it be. Come back. So plan your time. Get up in the mornings. Work till late night. When you look back, you should not feel I would have tried more harder. Then I would have I would have achieved that. Success failures end point. But at the end point, when you look back, you should not feel I should have tried more harder, then I would have got that opportunity. You should not feel like that. You should feel like this. I given my best, sometime positive, sometime negative, that's a secondary, but I have given my best. Whatever it is, small thing or big thing, you should give your best. Then only you will become something in life. Otherwise, like other people, you wait for opportunity, you don't create opportunities. Fine, let's come back to subject, guys. Right, we are running this application here. Right, run as this Java application. Run on server, say next, save it. So season name, we are getting output over there or not there. Right now we are in summer season, 4th month, it's a summer season. But how to pack this code, sir? It's a web application. So packing is automatically what? WAR file. You need not to tell it's a WAR file. How does it know? It has to give WAR file. Check it out. If it is a web application in pom.xml, you will get packaging type as WAR. Packaging as what? WAR. For standalone application, jar will come. If nothing is coming, it is by default jar. If nothing is coming, by default, it is what? Jar. Okay, that's great. Okay. So now let's pack it. Let's get the WAR file. Let's deploy the WAR file. But before that, I have to show that Eclipse is using its own copy of Tomcat. In that one, deployment directory structure will be created. I think in the middle of that discussion, we moved to somewhere else. Yeah, it is my workspaces folder, guys. There, tools FS, guys. Here, what is the tool? 701. This is my workspace folder where all projects are saved here. Where all projects have been saved here or not, guys? Definitely all projects are saved here. No doubt in that, right? Okay, guys. Yeah. In this case, what is the one we have to use, boss? In this place, I have to search for WTP tools. WTP web apps. Okay. Open folder. WTP web apps. It is coming there. Check it out. Deployment directory structure. WebINF parallel to that index.jsp. Classes folder. Under this package. Coming to .class file. So the entire deployment directory structure is dynamically created over here now, my dear. So that means when a Tomcat is configured with Eclipse, Eclipse will not use original Tomcat. It will create a copy of Tomcat in workspace folder. There all deployed applications will be placed. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super, guys. Okay. I'm not getting, can you provide last few days recording session? Rajesh, admin madam is continuously sharing. So you are supposed to collect from chat box. Admin madam, can you share backup videos with the students? Rajesh, when you join in the middle of the tool, don't expect wonder should happen. Rachit, can you share again in the chat box in everyone mode? Rachat Sharmana, yeah. Rajesh, you missed some classes it seems. At least be ready from next class onwards. Next class onwards, I am going to take a fresh tool. What is that? J unit. Array, every tool 3-4 days. 3 days or 4 days. If you miss one day, it may affect next day. Sorry, Sarah. Tell me sorry will give any workout. Don't use sorry. Take the backup videos and watch them. Practice them. That makes you something great. Tomorrow is Sunday, so is there any assignment to practice? All these applications are assignments to practice. Did you practice all this stuff? If not done, please practice it. If not done, please practice it. Don't behave like a college going kids. Assignment should be given, then only I'll practice. Whatever practicals I am showing, those things also you can practice, right? And based on this knowledge, any application you can convert into project now, boss. Right. Okay, let it be, guys. Okay, now I want to generate the var file. That too with my choice name, right? Okay, go to pom.xml. Yeah, if you want to get control on var file name, what should I do? Under project tag, plugin tag, build tag. Final name is by default project name, na boss? No, guys. I want to take name as maven web app, some name. Maven web app is the name, guys. Okay. Maven web app is the name that I have taken there. That's great, boss. Here, what should I do? Run as build dot dot dot. Whatever already generated, I want to clean. Array, clean is a separate life cycle phase. Site is a separate one. Default is separate one. In default 23 are there, those phases we are mentioning. Clean. Okay, guys. Tell me next one. What is there, guys? Clean package. Clean package. Are you getting my point there, guys? Full stack placement assistant program. This one is say run. So it will install means it will keep in local repository. Oh, no, right now not required. So it's trying to generate the things, my dear. Build success. Refresh, guys. Refresh. Tell me here. Target folder. Even web app whereas come now, my dear. Okay. Let's run. Copy this. Go to outside because it's a var file means we can deploy manually only. Here is what? Tomcat 11.x. Web apps folder. Say what? Paste. It's been deployed or not, guys? Let me start the Tomcat. What is this? Lambda 11.exe file. Tomcat 11.exe file, right, boss? Okay, next one is what? HTTP localhost 8761, right? Okay, 6677. Yes, my dear. Tell me next one. Okay, what is the web application? Maven web app. Or a where file name becomes web application name. Maven web app. Slash enter. It has come here. So season name, home hyperlink. It's working or not, guys? Okay, now let me show how to prepare a where file kind of. Okay, guys. We'll take our latest screenshot, guys. Some application code. Screenshot one. Another screenshot. These are the options that we are having, my dear. Preparing WAR file, guys. We prepared the WAR file or not, guys? Once we got the WAR file, okay, to deploy this WAR file, copy the WAR file to, what is there? Tomcat home slash what folder? Web apps folder. Tomcat home folder, home slash web apps folder. Tomcat home slash web apps folder, guys. To deploy this WAR file, copy the WAR file to whom, guys? Tomcat home slash web apps folder. Okay. To test the application, we have to use the application or not, guys? Right. Okay. Yeah, this is not required, guys. Screenshot of projects is there. Our notes is there, guys. What is need of that? Not. Yeah, I kept some FAQs related to Maven. Shall we see them, guys? Alright, take any web application that you have practiced so far in what? Servlet JSP, try to develop as a Maven project. Take any core Java application, try to develop as a Maven standalone project. Okay. What is build process? I'm not giving answers. You have to find out answer based on the discussions I have done, right? What are the different build tools? Maven, Gradle, IVI, all this stuff. What is the difference between Ant build tool and Maven Gradle build tool? Right. What is need of adding Maven tool support on the top of IDE based project development? On the top of what, guys? IDE based project development. Are you getting my point there, guys? On the top of IDE based project development, right? What are Maven features? What are the main advantages of feature? Okay, it provides archetype, dependency management, transitive dependency management. Like these few features are there or not there? What is pom.xml in Maven project? What is pom.xml in Maven project, guys? What is archetype in Maven and explain different archetypes? Explain built-in life cycle and their phases. Three life cycle and their phases, boss. What is dependency management in maven, guys? What is a transitive dependency management event? Getting dependent, their dependents, all this stuff. Explain various maven repositories and their relation. Local repository, central repository, remote repository. Explain various goals that are there in what? Maven build lifecycle pages. List various scopes to use in dependency management. Scopes of jars, guys. What is goal or phase we should use? We should use to pack the maven project into var file or what? Jar file. Can you explain group ID, artifact ID version with respect to maven project or dependency or what plugin? Okay. Okay, guys. What is the plugin we should use? We should use to generate, okay, test report. To generate a test report. What is the plugin we should use to generate whole project report? Can you tell me what is that, guys? Whole project report, right? What is maven inheritance and how it is useful? How it is useful in real projects? How it is useful in what? Real projects. How can it be used in real projects? That is what we are discussing here, guys. Right. How to keep maven project relate maven project packed jar file. Packed jar file in the local repository. What, guys? In the local repository. Like this, lot of FAQs you can write, guys. That's not a big issue. Okay, now let's go to where is this? Let's go to this place. Let's go to where is that, guys? Natraz Java Arena. Here we try to upload the file, guys. You'll try to upload the file. What is your code, guys? Project code 717. Oh, FS tools, na? Tools FS 701. Maven. Fourth one. Let me save the document. Session 5 and 4 same was. That's why I deleted. Don't worry. Yes. It's been saved, guys. E-drive, class content, not class content, workspaces, Spring, guys. Where is this? 1102, not 11. Not Spring, tools FS, na? FS tools. What's that? 701. Let me pack them, guys. WinRAR. I packed the content. I'm giving the soft copy of these applications to you. Okay, here is my what, guys. Up to April, today 19th at 2025. April 19th, 2025. I'm also uploading this was E-Drive, Workspaces. Okay. FS Tools 701. Maven Web Project. Not there. Where is the workspace folder? Na? Yeah. I'm giving the soft copy of the classroom applications also. Click on that. Okay. Yeah, offline student, I don't know how do you collect, but I'm giving some tools from my side as a complementary tools to learn. As videos I'm giving, not there than the syllabus. I'm giving extra videos as a complementary. Lombok API. What API? Yeah, I want you people to watch this one once. It's very useful tool, guys. Okay, generally in Spring Boot we use a lot. I want you people to learn it on this weekend. Okay, which is not there in syllabus, guys. I'm giving out of my interest to you people. Okay, for online student, I kept in the chat box. Please collect from the chat box.